Engineering, this is the captain. I need a status report on the repairs of those warp engines immediately, mister. And no multiplying your repair estimates by a factor of 4 either. I don't care how that Scotty fella does it. We do it by the book on this ship. Ah! Captain Kirk. You probably don't recognize me. I'm Captain E. Adam Thomas of the starship Potempkin. I used to serve aboard the Enterprise with you, though, sir. You might remember me as Lieutenant Adam Thomas in security. You know, the one in the red shirt. The one that got away. Anyway, sir, I just wanted to congratulate you on this wonderful evening that looks like they've got a great spread for you. You seem to be having a lot of fun. And I couldn't be happier for you, Captain. Really. One of these days, I would like to have a similar honor bestowed upon me, to have all my friends that I came up through the ranks with, sitting around telling jokes and gossip. Unfortunately, for me, that's not going to happen. You see, most of my friends from the Academy, we all served on the Enterprise together, under you. And we all wore red shirts. I'm the only one left. Horowitz, Green, Kelso, Yamato, Serizawa, McPherson, Sanchez, you got them all. Exploding rocks, salt-sucking vampires, the list goes on. You went through my friends like Britney Spears goes through empty corn cobs. I got nobody. You even got my fiancée. She got turned into a little human and all smushed together. Anyway, Captain James T. Kirk of the starship Enterprise, I just wanted to take a moment to congratulate you on this wonderful event and wish you well on a long, happy career yet to come. And I wish I could, well, I wish I could be there in person right now to just tell you how much I appreciate all my friends getting blown up and eaten and salt sucked out of them, and their white corpuscles sucked out by this thing, their red corpuscles sucked out by that thing, and oh well. I do have one friend that survived the ordeal with me. And he served with you for a good time. Pavel? Chekhov? Remember? That coin toss? You and my buddy Horowitz? Horowitz went down in your place on the plane? Boom? Yeah. We've got some unfinished business, pal. Thomas out. Engineering, where's my report? I did learn a few things from you, Captain.
That felt good. Now I'm going to go turn my daughter into a woodchuck.